Panel buildings are constructions made of prefabricated concrete elements. Although this type of building was most common in former communist countries, the USSR, Czechoslovakia, Hungary, and so on, the technology was also applied in other parts of the world. First, the French method came into use worldwide, and later it was the Danish method. The advantages of this construction method are speed and low cost. Manufactured in factories and transported to the building site, the elements were lifted into place with a crane. They were designed to make assembly quick and easy. Thus, the task of the operator was only to ensure the right sequence and precise positions of the components. In the final stage, the elements were fixed by laborers working on the floor being built. In this way, housing estates mushroomed in big cities. Initially, the panel buildings were 4- and 5-story blocks, but later, 10-story buildings also became common. It was not only the architecture and site of panel buildings that gave towns a special atmosphere, and continue to do so, but also the community and the lifestyle of the people who lived there. In Eastern Europe, the first panel buildings were constructed at the end of the 1950s, and they became widespread in the 1960s and the 1970s. A considerable amount of inhabitants still live in such panel blocks throughout Eastern Europe. The problems experienced over the past decades have revealed that this construction technology has deficiencies and hidden dangers. For this reason, maintaining modern prefabricated blocks poses serious challenges, as they need restoration and modernizing.